We talk about how can you disable hidden numbers on your Truecaller app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do, you just go here above your photo profile, click on it. So when you click on your photo profile here, it's going to take you to next here. It's going to show for you like this. You go above this sign, click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. Then you click here on block. Then you come to next here. Then all you have to do now, next, you just go down here. You come here to hidden numbers. Just click in this sign or this color. Like you see color, it's gone. That's mean hidden numbers disabled with us now. So that's all you have to do. I wish you I get it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.